Hello everybody, I have a retail box break today. I got one box of 2014 Panini Prizm. Comes with one mem card and purple Prizm. So let me crack it open all the packs, and I'll go through the cards. Thanks for watching. Okay, all done opening the packs. Let's go through them here. Neil rookie, a nice looking die cut of Marquise Lee. Lynch, C-Struck rookie, pretty cool looking intros. Alex Smith insert. Nick Folds up Old Jackson, old school. Zach Martin rookie. We got a Prizm of Greg Jennings, John Riggins, Foster, Andrews rookie. Ah, nice. Sammy Watkins refractor rookie. Bettis, another old school Franco Harris. Heron for the Bucks, and how about a purple of Rashid Jennings? These are not numbered. John Elway. David Folds rookie, a Drew Berry's green Prizm. Again, not numbered. Nice looking card though. And how about a Clowney Dirty Laundry plain jersey? Nice looking, not numbered. Jared Allen and Crabtree. So, pretty happy with the jersey card and the Drew Berry's. And I got purple. And a nice one of Sammy Watkins refractor. That's it. Thanks for watching.